a piece of shit. So
okay, hey.
Shut
So,
your mouth.
all right.
Out of my face.
I will murder you.
Okay.
One more
Just
chance.
be quiet and see.
Okay.
One more. Oh, you're gonna give.
Pick up your phone.
You're gonna give
Yes, I'm
me
giving you
one more chance.
Incident, disorderly intoxication, and trespassing location, Florida, United States.
Yeah. I'm staring her face.
Okay.
Grab your stuff.
Don't ever touch that. That's not nice. What do you have?
Grab your stuff. They want you. Grab your stuff.
First of all,
Grab your stuff.
call my lawyer.
Call your lawyer and you call him outside after they
Okay, so what reason
because you are
sitting at a bar at a restaurant that you
have
have
the right to refuse service.
and so that's
And they're requesting to refuse service. So
really for a drink that I never touched.
it's got to ask you. Do you want it to leave?
You're so
Okay. All right. Time to go.
yeah.
Is he got all caught up on the stabbing and everything?
All right.
I'm walking out with you. I'm just letting you know. And you have no idea what family you're fucking with.
Ask you if I can.
Well, that's assault.
I stepped on
No,
your foot.
that's assault.
Let's go.
No, that's not assault.
That's assault.
No, it's not assault.
Why not?
State of Florida, that's not assault.
It is assault
It's
because
not
it's the
assault.
state of Florida.
You need to walk out.
That's assault.
That's not assault either.
What did I do?
How are you getting home?
Okay. Go ahead and call your Uber.
Oh, so now it's okay for me just to f off?
Well,
Yeah, they want refused service to you, man. They have a right to do that. They have a right to do that.
Yeah, they have a right to be f as soon as my lawyer shows up.
Oh, that's fine. You can settle that in court.
So
But
I'm gonna wait till my lawyer shows up.
you're not going to wait on their
Okay,
property.
I'm gonna wait right here till my lawyer shows up. And then what are you gonna do?
What's your lawyer going to do about this today?
That's
a simple
I have no
matter.
idea. You have no idea who I am.
Okay, well, I can tell
I'm
you-
just back in town.
I don't-
I'm Rascal Flatts' private chef. I am
I do not-
Journey's
Listen,
private chef.
I get off in 20 minutes. I'm not
then
trying to...
leave.
We're not leaving.
Then bye.
Your lawyer's not going to do
20
anything.
minutes.
They want you gone.
Bye.
okay.
You're,
Call your Uber. You
Right
said,
here.
you
Right
said-
here.
Call your
20
lawyer.
minutes.
Call your lawyer.
20 minutes.
Call your Uber.
You have no idea who my family is.
I don't care who your family is.
That's your problem. You
It
should.
does
It
not
doesn't
matter
bother
who
me.
your
Oh, it
family is.
doesn't? No. The family can charge the one that built this entire town.
Okay.
You
So-
should here.
And
Call
just
your
get
Uber.
an Uber and go home. And then you can
I'm
deal with
not.
the civil
No.
situation later.
I'm not. No.
So what's your plan?
I'm gonna stand here until my lawyer shows up, and then we're gonna fix this town because you cops are dog.
Sorry you feel that way.
Look at you.
Listen,
Sorry you feel that
you're a
way.
little too intoxicated to leave here by yourself.
Yeah, I've been
so you're going to
drinking.
get a ride home, or we're not going to leave you here. Those are your two options.
So the fact that Uber's arriving,
Okay, so you have an Uber coming.
did
Yeah.
I not say that?
Well, that's why I'm trying to confirm it.
I don't care about you. You're
Okay, that's so.
this guy right here.
Next, man.
I'm gonna ruin your life.
Okay.
You know that?
All right.
How about it?
Yeah.
We'll get your
So
Uber.
make
Uber
sure
on the
your
way.
Uber's on their way.
I will absolutely ruin your life. You don't understand. Kelly, Bodis, those three scenarios will ruin you. And I'm the.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Bye, Felicia.
All right, get your Uber.
All right.
You
Then go
step
ahead.
off. You don't even know.
Then go ahead. Bye,
He
Felicia.
just realized.
Bye, Felicia.
No, he just realized that I'm the.
Come on, man. Get
no.
your Uber on your way.
Oh, is that what you want?
Yeah, yeah, so we don't got to take
That's
you for a
definitely
Marchman
what
Act.
you want, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I want your Uber to get here so we don't have to take you for a Marchman Act because you're too
I have to
intoxicated.
pay for that tab.
Yeah, you already paid for it.
Just because I have my card does not mean I paid for
They
it.
said you paid for it. They don't want your money.
That's
They don't want your money. They just want
that's terrible decision.
So I'm not gonna-
Just so you know, Edward, remember that name.
I'll write it down.
You should.
Talking Alpha 213, status check.
Because
Is that your name?
me and the Bodas,
10-4,
we're gonna kill you.
Excuse me? That is assault.
Metaphorically. Sorry.
Get your Uber
Metaphorically.
on the way before you end up in custody.
Okay, please get your Uber. Everyone wants to go home tonight, right? Everyone wants to go home. We don't mean to
No.
make this a big deal.
I'll go home.
So
He needs to
why
go-
don't you get
he
an
needs
Uber?
cuffs. This
Why
guy
don't you
right
get
here
your
needs
Uber
cuffs.
and go, please?
Me.
Yes.
He needs cuffs.
Go and get your Uber. Go order your Uber and go home and get some sleep. Please and thank you. I'm
Look,
asking
I
you very
just
nicely.
came back to town.
That's nice. That's wonderful.
I'm the of the Boda scenario.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but
Then you
get your,
then you have
get an
then
Uber
you should
and
do
go
your
home.
homework. Homework. Do
I
it.
don't want to.
He
Get your
knows
Uber.
it.
No, I don't. Get your Uber on the way.
He doesn't. You know it.
I'm waiting for
See, look at him.
Put on a disorderly intox.
Yeah.
But there's no
Right
sleep.
here.
Your Uber here?
I'll call it.
Okay, thank you.
Just because I'll find you. We'll figure this out.
I
Okay,
know where I
go
work.
ahead. Go ahead and get
not
your Uber.
you. You're not a part of this.
You know
I
where work.
absolutely am. Please get your Uber and go home.
Call your Uber.
You call it.
Don't call it.
Why not?
Because I don't touch other people's phones.
Oh, you really?
Please get
Oh,
your
you
Uber.
don't touch other people's phones?
Please get your Uber
That's
and go
a
home.
joke.
Please get your Uber and go home. Thank you.
What a joke. Don't touch other people's phones.
I don't.
Why
get-
not?
Just don't. Just get your Uber and go home, please.
You should start asking questions to your left.
Okay, get an Uber and go home, please.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
go,
Thank you.
but you should start
Okay.
looking to your left.
Get an Uber and go home, please. Thank you.
Joke. This is Flower County, man.
Sir,
Kidding?
please get an Uber and go home. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Look to your left.
I appreciate it. Thank you very
Look
much.
to your left.
I appreciate it.
That's what I'm saying.
Get an Uber.
That guy.
Get an Uber. Okay.
Right here, Robert.
Okay.
How long is it?
Oh, what?
For your Uber.
What do you matter? It's not matter because it doesn't matter to you. I ordered a cop to come here,
You ordered a cop?
and you're the one that arrived, and you're the piece of shit that arrived.
Okay.
You have no idea who he is.
I know exactly who he is.
Oh, do you?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah. Well, then you're a shitty cop.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Because he's a piece of.
But, so your Uber's on the way. Correct?
Stop. Stop.
Is your
You stop coming close to me.
Okay, is your
You
Uber
stop.
is your
You're
Uber
allowed to.
Okay, is your Uber on the way?
Yes.
Okay.
It is. It's whatever it is.
Ride requested locating your driver. Okay. Listen, man, I just want everyone to get home safely.
I want that too.
Yeah.
But that cop right there, that's a bad cop. I
I'm
don't
sorry
care
you feel
how-
that way.
No, no.
Okay.
This is 20 years of knowledge,
Okay.
and that's a bad cop.
20 years of knowledge in what?
I lived here. I grew up here.
Oh, yeah?
I was the first person that won a state championship here in hockey. Hockey. Yeah.
In Florida?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm awesome. And
Okay,
that cop is a bad cop.
Again,
Please.
I'm sorry you.
Please.
The guy just drove by in a
They
mask.
know me.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, they know me. Because you're a bad cop.
Okay, alright. Please stop insulting my friend. He's not saying anything to you anymore. Okay? He's not saying anything.
He should not.
Okay, he's not saying
Because
anything
he's-
to you anymore. Please stop
I
insulting
swear
my
to
friend.
God, please. He's a bad person.
Okay.
I swear to
Okay, let's see if your Uber, if they located a driver for you.
Look, you can touch it. I don't care. Here.
Well, I don't want to pick it off.
I'm not allowed to, whatever. That cop is a bad cop.
Talk to the captain.
I'm
You're a piece of shit. So
okay, hey.
shut
So,
your mouth.
all right.
Out of my face.
I will murder you.
Okay, if you do that one more time, okay, I'm asking you very
I will
nicely.
end you. You know me.
One more time.
You know me.
I don't know you. One more time.
You don't
You
know
have
me.
3 minutes until your Uber gets here, so please stop.
She doesn't know me. You are garbage. And I will find it out.
I'm giving you
And
an
I will
chance.
sell
Okay,
every
all right.
little
Okay,
bit of
hey.
this. So
Stop.
you can touch
All right,
me.
look, your Uber is 3 minutes away.
Garbage.
Please stop.
Garbage.
Hey, look at me, please. Focus on me. Look at me. Your Uber is 3 minutes away. Everyone wants to go home, right?
No, I don't.
You don't want to go home?
No,
Why?
I want
Okay,
him
let's not
to
do
go to
that.
jail.
Why does he need to go to jail? Let's
He
not.
insinuated every single bit of violence. You are garbage.
You have 3 minutes till your Uber gets here, right?
You are a piece of
Hey, have you turned your phone back on?
and you can't
I
live up
know.
to it.
I know.
And you can't even.
Hey, can you look at your phone one more time for me, please?
I don't give a about it. That guy's a piece of.
One more chance. Pick up
One
your
more
phone and
chance?
just be quiet and see.
Okay.
One more. Oh, you're gonna give.
Pick up your phone.
You're gonna give
Yes, I'm
me
giving you
one more chance.
Pick up your phone.
Have,
Pick up your phone.
You're going to jail.
That's nice.
You're going to jail.
have you seen the whole thing? Yeah, but have you seen the whole thing?
No, I just drove up right now, so I'm pushing you guys.
Okay. Are you willing to write a statement? Sure. For that? Okay.
Oh, you took care of my daughter.
Okay.
We live in the scenario.
I'm really not trying to go to
Put your hands behind your back.
I will.
Go ahead and take him to my car. Pat him down.
A private business called law enforcement to remove an intoxicated patron who refused to leave after being given lawful notice. Trespass law, Florida Stat 810.08. A person commits trespass when they willfully remain in a structure after the owner gives actual notice to leave. Refusal to depart after that notice establishes probable cause for arrest. Common legal mistake, right to counsel, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. The right to counsel attaches during custodial interrogation only. It does not apply to civil removal from private property. Waiting for a lawyer does not suspend a trespass enforcement action. Disorderly intoxication, Florida Stat 856.011 requires 2 elements. 1, the subject is intoxicated, and 2, they endanger the safety of another person or are boisterous in a public place. Both elements were met by the subject's conduct on camera. Non-criminal alternative, the Marchman Act, Florida Stat 397.6771 authorizes involuntary examination for substance abuse as a diversion alternative to criminal arrest. Offering this option before arresting reflects best practice de-escalation and reduces civil liability exposure for the department. Protected speech vs. true threat, City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U. S 4511987. Verbal insults and profanity directed at law enforcement are protected under the First Amendment. Arrest based solely on offensive language is constitutionally deficient. Equal protection U.S. Const. Amend. XV law enforcement applies the law uniformly. Occupation, social status, family connections, or celebrity affiliations carry no legal weight in a trespass or disorderly intoxication enforcement action. USA of Force Standard, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force is judged by objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Relevant factors: severity of the crime, threat posed, and level of resistance. Here, misdemeanor offense, no weapon, minimal resistance at arrest. Force was proportionate. Probable cause. Analysis. For Florida Stat, 856.011. Subject exhibited visible intoxication, made threatening statements, refused lawful direction over 12 minutes. For Florida Stat, 810.08. Actual notice to leave. Was clearly communicated by both establishment staff and responding officers. Continued presence satisfied all elements. Key lessons. 1. The right to counsel does not pause civil or administrative enforcement actions. 2. Verbal threats, even if retracted, may establish aggravating context for probable cause. 3. Offering a non-criminal exit such as the Marchman Act before arresting strengthens the legal record and reduces departmental liability. 4. Private businesses retain the right to refuse service under Florida common law. Law enforcement enforcing that right does not require a warrant. Outcome charges disorderly intoxication under Florida Stat. 856.011. Trespass under Florida Stat. 810.08. Sentence 6 months probation. Both charges were legally supported by documented probable cause on camera. A voluntary departure at any point would have avoided criminal liability entirely.